What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here. Welcome back to the channel, and today TikTok finally added some widgets for home screen. I say finally as if we've been waiting for it. But if you look onto my iPhone right here, guys, you can see that we have this TikTok widget. But before we jump on into the video, let's take a quick word from today's sponsor, NordPass. Now, if you're like me and you always forget your passwords, or you're tired of clicking the reset my password button, then you should check out today's sponsor, NordPass. NordPass gets rid of all the fuss around password. It autofills forms, remembers an unlimited number of passwords, and even generates complex ones for you. So don't be that person that uses the same password for everything, because it's not safe. NordPass also recognizes suspicious websites so you don't accidentally reveal your sensitive information, and you can stay safe online. Now today you can get 50% off NordPass at www.nordpass.com/Shevon, or you could use my code Shevon at checkout. Now what this TikTok widget does, it basically shows us what's trending. So they added both a small widget, medium widget, and also a large size widget. So as usual, guys, if you're first time here and you want to know how I did my setup here on my iPhone, I'll leave video links down below in the description showing you exactly how I set up my iPhone like this. And also if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, you know what I'm saying, just come over to here. I'm not over there like renegaded or anything. I'm not like classy, nope. I just post like tech videos. So my name is at Chevy 2x. But yes, guys, as usual with all these videos, if you don't see the update, make sure you go into your app store on your iPhone. You want to click your profile picture, make sure everything is loaded. You want to refresh the page, make sure all your apps are updated, and then you want to go back to your home screen. Then you want to go into jiggle mode. When the screen start like shaking up, then you want to hit the plus sign. Scroll down until you find TikTok, and then you'll find all the widgets, the 3 widgets that they added. Alright, guys, so as usual, we have to put my screen up right here. So as you can see, this is my iPhone 12 Pro. No, the iPhone 12, sorry. I don't know why I said 12 Pro, but this is the iPhone 12, and we have my new setup on here. You know, we have the stack widgets as usual. Then we have that little Twitch stack widget. Just a little update for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I will do a like what's on my iPhone 12 video soon. But yeah, let's go back to the TikTok stuff. So as I said before, you only have 3 widgets. It's nothing too serious. I don't know why they added these widgets. They should have added something like maybe your For You page. But for now, it's only what's trending. So these are the 3 widgets you could choose from. The small trending widget. Let's add that. Let's add the medium sized trending widget. Right there. And then on this screen, we're going to add another large TikTok trending widget. So these are what all the widgets look like. So you have the trending right here to show you what's trending now in Halloween. They all show the same thing, it's just different sizes. So you guys could incorporate different widget styles with it. If you guys want to mix and match a widget smith, I show you guys how to stack your widgets before. Hover over this. Boom, now you have a stack widget, so you could swipe up and show what's trending just like that. And it's pretty simple. So if you want to see this Halloween one, you click that right there, it will jump exactly to that video, which is kind of cool. So yeah, now you'll never leave TikTok. You leave TikTok, now TikTok is on your home screen wanting you to come back to TikTok. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Very short video explaining the new TikTok update and showing you guys how to use the widgets. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and also smash the like button, turn on post notifications. It says that only 15% of you guys who are watching are subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.